How to fix internet disconnecting while playing games. So if you want to fix internet disconnecting while playing games, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for command prompt and then right click on it, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to enter some commands, which is the first command is netsh space winsock space reset and hit the enter. After that, the second command is netsh space int space ip space reset. After that, again hit the enter. And now the third command is ipconfig space / release. Again hit the enter. Go with the next command, which is ipconfig space / renew and hit the enter. Now the next command is ipconfig space / DNS and hit the enter. And if you follow this process, your internet connection might be restored and your internet connection or disconnecting while playing games will be fixed. However, if the issue persists, it might be due to the outdated drivers. If you have outdated drivers, you can check for any available updates for your Intel or GeForce or whatever video card or processor you have. Also make sure that your Windows is up to date, as this can also help resolve internet connection problems. And in this way, you'll be able to fix internet disconnecting while playing games. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.